I look crazy, I know, but I'm literally in a parking garage right now. I just got here at the Grove. I'm here to see my favorite SA, Mario. We're gonna have a little lunch date, we're gonna do some shopping, and I'm here to pick up a very special limited edition bag from the Runway. I'm so excited to get into this. I cannot wait to pick it up. But before we get into it, if you are new here, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do unboxings, bag-related content, usually coach-related here on my YouTube channel and over on Instagram. If that is your bag, feel free to follow me here and there. Both are at Ralph by Design. Without any further ado, let's go pick up this bag. But first, my bag of the day, my ginormous kiss lock. Isn't it adorable? I'm obsessed. Coach and Mario took me out to an amazing lunch. It was so good. My martini was on point. Cheers, you guys. Everything was so amazing, you guys. Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Mario. And check out my kiss lock, just chilling, looking perfect. Before we get to this unboxing, let's take a look around at the Grove. This is an all-new floor set. The new sketch collection, I think, is absolutely adorable. I definitely had to pick something up from it. I'm gonna actually frame it. I'll show you guys later. It is such a vibe in here. If you guys have never been to the Grove, if you've never been to Coach at the Grove, you guys gotta come in and check it out. Say hello to Mario. It's definitely an experience and you'll absolutely love it. Let's get this amazing bag unboxed. I've been waiting since the Runway to pick this bag up. I'd seen it and I immediately hit up Mario. I'm like, hey, I absolutely need this. So the second you see it, let me know. Done, sold. So as you guys have seen on my channel, I got the Dino, I got the two kiss locks, the black and the brown, and this is the one that I was really excited for. This is one that I really wanted. It's very Coach. They have the Coach bag charms, the shearlings, and I just think Coach teddy bears, it's adorable, super cute, and like leather on it, looks like it's gonna be super squishy and amazing. But let's get this open. All right, here she is. I drove all the way to Los Angeles in the rain, but I braved the weather to get this amazing, very limited bag. They only got two in the store, two in the whole store, and as Mario knows me, he knows how I like them fully wrapped. Let's get it open. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at how adorable this is. Like, it's such an adorable, like, accessory, toy, collectible, whatever you want to call it. It's not practical, but it's adorable. Look at this. It's got a little back pocket. Let's get this fully unwrapped. You guys have to see this. It does come with the strap. Here is the strap. It comes with a shoulder strap. This is absolutely adorable. Like, does have this little zipper kind of moment in the back. It's impractically practical, as I like to call it. You can fit a few items in there, probably your cell phone, probably a wisp of air, but that's not what I'm here for. That's not why you get bags like this. It's got the kiss lock in the front, so very a la Coach, the kiss lock. You do have a slip pocket in there, put maybe a chapstick, your phone as well too if you want to in the front. There's a little like connector pieces at the back. So this is what I was actually wondering is, I know that the Dino has a little shoulder kind of moment. I just don't know if they were gonna do it on here, and they definitely did, but it kind of makes it like a little like shoulder style, like a little like backpack-esque, I guess. Let's see. It's so cute. Like, if this doesn't get everybody's attention, I don't know what will. Like, thank you so much, Mario, for being able to offer me one of these. This thing, you guys, is just next level adorable. The arm is little, but it's okay. I'm gonna lay it down, and I'm gonna fold her right back. Tell me, you guys, this isn't absolutely adorable. Like, so cute. genuine buff tan leather. You guys already know about these. Like I said, I was excited about that dino, but I was really, really excited for this. This one really just takes it next level. And look at that. Tell me you're not gonna get everybody's attention. You walk into the room and this is what you got on your shoulder. So cute. Try not to be super loud because I'm in the store when we're shopping. Mario, this is so cute. You guys, this is the amazing Mario that I always talk about. You guys say hi to Mario. If you guys are ever in the Grove, come in, ask for Mario. He'll take care of you. Or over the phone, you guys call in, shop with him. Right?
Yeah, text me, call me, smoke signals.
Yeah, any way possible, he'll reach back out to you guys and make sure you guys are well taken care of. Guys.
Of course, all the time.
So what do we think, you guys? You guys love it? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said on my previous video with my Kiss Lock, this is not a practical bag. It is not for everybody. It is fashion, it is fun, and if it puts a smile on your face, do it. You're not hurting anybody, and that's exactly it. It's definitely over the top. It's definitely my style, and it's definitely very extra, just exactly how I am. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.